Your hips back. Okay, here.
No, not yet, not yet. We got 2 reps, 2 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, full adjustment. Let's him down. Let's him
Taylor
down.
Robbins and Al Steel, please.
Let's him
Taylor
down.
Robbins.